Hanwha Aerospace introduced a mock-up of its latest wheeled self-propelled howitzer at Defense Quality Comprehensive Symposium in Changwon. The new wheeled howitzer features K9A2 turret known for its fully automated loading system, enabling operation with just a 2 or 3-person crew. Russia's news agency reports that budget-friendly, domestically produced FPV drones are now using artificial intelligence to identify targets on the battlefield in Ukraine. These drones are trained to recognize specific targets. For instance, a drone can identify a tank, recognize it and fly directly towards the target. Chinese state TV has released footage showing the latest 155mm wheeled howitzer designed for the international market. The introduction of this howitzer highlights China's ongoing efforts to enhance its military technology offerings for global buyers. The 4x4 chassis provides high mobility, allowing the artillery system to be deployed quickly across diverse terrains. The armed variant of China's Z-20 helicopter, referred as Z-20W, has been observed with the 76th Group Army. The photograph revealed 2 Z-20 helicopters at the airfield. The Z-20W armed variant's development aligns with the PLA's strategic objectives, providing a robust platform from troop transport to close air support and armed reconnaissance.